Well, guys, it's a little afternoon. The branches are really low on the tree, but I'm starting out under here. Um, Another quick video. Um, yes, it is coming down. It is almost a whiteout out here. Um, so where we're at, yeah, it's deep enough for the snow blower. I'm going to wait till it calms down a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but we are approaching the 3-inch mark. And somebody asked what the temperature was out here. So I put this out. I don't know how accurate that is. Phone says it's 32. I don't know how accurate that thermometer is, but it is seriously still coming down. So yeah, it's about time to think about getting the snowblower out, but I'm going to wait till this slacks up some. Thanks for watching.